Hey guys, welcome back to SkyTalksTrading. My name is Sky and I'm on a quest to invest, and today's video is all about NIO Stock. Friday's market session was a little bit bumpy for NIO. At various points, NIO shares were down under 2% and up 1.5% before closing the final session of the week at 0.65%. So it was like a little tiny roller coaster. You know, there wasn't any very company-specific news from NIO to cause these uppity-downity moves. That's very technical language there. That being said, they do have a very high-profile event coming up next week, and that is NIO Day. And I think that is going to be a very big catalyst. Not that this is financial advice, but I wouldn't expect a huge run this week. But I think next week is going to be a huge, mega run. We've got the NIO Day coming up on the 18th of December. And it will be held at the Olympic Sports Center in Zhou, west of Shanghai. Last year, it was held in early January, of this year, actually. And the event is usually when they introduce new models. So you can see why this is a huge catalyst. And that trend should continue this year, as they are expected to reveal at least 2 new models and possibly an entirely new vehicle brand. You know, at the start of the year, on their NIO Day, they revealed that they were going to be expanding outside of SUVs, and that was when they unveiled their flagship sedan, the ET7. So these new model rumors will definitely be a big driver of the price. It's not really rumors. I mean, in NIO's Q2 financial results report, the founder, chairman, and CEO William Li cited the 2.0 platform and the models that will see it first. So to quote, "We aim to deliver 3 new products based on the NIO technology platform 2.0 in 2022, including ET7, a flagship premium smart electric sedan. As the EV adoption begins to reach a tipping point worldwide, we believe it is imperative to speed up the launch of new products to provide more premium smart EV offerings with superior holistic services to the growing user base in the global market." So maybe there will also be a new NIO sub-brand. In a call with investors following NIO's Q2 report, William Li announced the company's plans for a new brand for the mass EV market, and that preparations had already been accelerated. He compared the relationship between NIO and this new brand to the likes of Lexus and Toyota and Audi with Volkswagen. And he hopes that the mass market brand could deliver EVs priced lower than Tesla in China. You know, on this channel, we like to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. And whilst I still absolutely believe that NIO is a great long-term investment, there are some risks to consider, and the risk analysis for NIO, changed quite a bit last week after China's largest real estate developer, Evergrande, was said to be in default of its dollar-denominated bonds. So while NIO saw a massive rebound in production and deliveries in November, China's real estate problems could spell trouble for investors, and also could get a lot worse before they get better. So I think NIO has 3 major risks heading into the financial year of 2022. Firstly, we've got risks related to the production ramp and retooling of manufacturing lines as the company gets ready to roll out its first non-SUV product, the all-electric ET7 passenger sedan. Secondly, we've got risks related to NIO falling further behind its EV rivals regarding delivery growth. And then there's also the macro risks that originate from potentially large-scale defaults of Chinese property developers. If we take a look at the production ramp, NIO submitted its delivery card for the month of November. We could see definitely a massive rebound in deliveries because they made material progress in retooling and upgrading its factories for new product launches. And NIO delivered 10,878 electric vehicles last month, which calculated to a growth rate of 105.6% year over year. But that being said, NIO is growing slower than its EV rivals. And this is, in part because the rivals managed the semiconductor supply chain crisis a little better than NIO. Li Auto, known for manufacturing the Li 1 sport utility vehicle, delivered 13,485 electric vehicles in November, while XPeng, which produces all-electric sedans and SUVs, delivered 15,613 vehicles to customers last month. So that means the delivery growth rates for Li Auto and XPeng in November were 190% and 270% respectively, which, is a significant difference to NIO's growth rate of 106%. But I think that is going to change in 2022. And I think, especially with their sub-brand and the new models, I think they could just outperform their competitors. But it is just something to keep in mind. Let's talk about price predictions. The median price target is $58.20, and that's from 24 analysts, which is a 70% increase from close on Friday. So there is definitely a lot of upside potential with NIO Stock, and that's why I'm always constantly talking about it on this channel. So that is all for today, guys. Let me know your opinions down below, and thank you so much for listening. Until next time, have a great day.